Hello my YouTube friends and welcome to my next video. As you can see, I'm in the kitchen and we haven't been baking or cooking so long. So today you're gonna be cooking with me and I have a very delicious tip for you for like an easy snack from potatoes. I don't know how to call it. I would say like potato pancakes, but they are like little. So I'm gonna show you definitely. The basis for the potato pancakes is good for gnocchi, homemade gnocchi as well. I learned this actually at work because I'm working at the restaurant, so we are making our own gnocchi. So this basis is very good for gnocchi as well if you want to make. We're gonna start with potatoes. What will you need is potatoes, probably like 1 kilogram. I'm gonna use 2 because I need to make more, but usually it's like kilogram of potatoes. Then flour. I'm using instant flour, but you can use all-purpose flour as well, and eggs. 1 egg for me, 2 eggs because I'm doing double bunch, so that's what you need. So we're gonna cook potatoes by boiling them, and then I'm gonna show you what's next. So let's start with potatoes. Try to choose the similar size of potatoes so they are cooked even. So now we're gonna wait 15 to 20 minutes. They should be cooked after. I will check it. And another step is to let them cool down. They shouldn't be hot, they shouldn't be cold, so something in between. So after we're gonna wait until they're cooled down and then we're gonna continue. So potatoes are cooled down. Now we have to peel them. So the potatoes are peeled, so now we need to grate them. So I'm gonna use cheese grater. So now we are done and we are ready to make a dough, which is gonna be probably the worst part, but I have 2 kilograms of potatoes. You can do it just from 1 kilogram or even 500 grams. Then you just have to adjust the measurements. And yeah, now you need just flour and eggs. For 1 kilogram you need 1 egg as well as a pinch of salt and 300 grams of flour. So you need to make a hole in the middle where you will put egg and salt. And I'm gonna prepare flour as well. So for 1 kilogram you need 300. I have more, so I'm gonna use more. Okay, good enough. For gnocchi, the dough should be a little softer, but I'm not making gnocchi, so I think this is good. So for circles, I'm gonna use a mug. Okay guys, I am done. Don't think I'm crazy because I made them a few days ago and they disappeared. So I made them from 1 kilogram, so this is 2 kilograms, and I hope it's gonna last at least one day. So we will see. Now we have to fry them. If I could recommend, this is the best seasoning after for these potato pancakes, and it tastes so delicious. So if you have this by chance, use this, but you can season it whatever you like, just salt maybe, it's enough, but this is very delicious. Alright guys, I am done. I swear it's not that time consuming if you are making less of them, so it just took me a little more time because I made these from 2 kilograms of potatoes. Usually it's kind of quick. The only pain in the ass is to make a dough, but otherwise it's easy. It's from 3 ingredients, so that's not bad. So let's taste it. Very good. So if you would like to know how it tastes, imagine like hash browns but much better, like 100% better, but it's the same basis, it's from potatoes, and I would say like delicious hash brown, something like that. Let me know in the comments below if you know this recipe. I don't know, we used to do it in Czechia. I don't know if it's like a European thing or you have hash browns, of course, but I don't know if somebody knows this. Let me know. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video and I hope you're gonna try this recipe because it's so delicious. And then you can eat it even, you know, cold. You can eat some vegetables with it, whatever you think. You can put something on the top, some dipping, you know, whatever you want. Whatever you want. As always, I would be really happy for a like, comment, and especially subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos. And I'll see you next time.